Hi guys on YouTube. Today I'm going to be repairing my fridgemaster pedestal fan because this one is a bit noisy when you turn it, as I'll demonstrate it to you. Put it on number 1. It sounds less noisy when I put it on 1. I'll put it on number 2. It gets a bit noisy. And then I'll put it on 3. It cures it. So I'm going to be repairing my pedestal fan. So first thing you always have to do is make sure the plug is unplugged from your. You have to disconnect your fan from the electrical socket. And then next thing you do is you take off the retaining ring, the clip that holds the fan guard on in place. There we go, it's on now. So now I'll just investigate the culprit. And I found the fault. The middle bit here is loose. First thing you do is tighten up the then you tighten up the middle. Then I've got to put the guard back on. Oops. Now I'll just have to pause this while I fit the ring bit that goes around the edge back on. Okay, so what I'm now doing is, as you can see me there, I am now tightening up the screw that holds the guard and retaining clips in place. So that's all tightened up now. So first, now I'm going to test the appliance to see if it's not rattling. So plug it back into the power supply. Let's test it on number 1. Nice and quiet. Number 2. Nice and quiet. Number 3. Nice and quiet. So there you are. Taking a while to stop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.